Get a vet on it.
I'm that vet that you call on when your pet is sick. First class seat on my lap, girl, riding comfortable. Cause I know what them pussies them need. Canada to Orleans, we've got ace drawn up in a syringe. It makes it hard to scream. We work at Blair and here is reception, but your booty needs to take a seat. Dr. B is real busy
When you talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me.
You know that dogs in all runs, cause they're all staff pets. There is an exception of one, her name is Zora. I know what them bitches them need, purebreds to mixed breed. I got blood and drool on my scrubs, I think it's time to leave. We work at Blair and do blood injections, better believe that needs explaining. All I really need to understand is
when you talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Uno,
meet your vets and techs,
dos,
meet your labs and BAs.
tres,
Now meet reception.
quattro, marne. Staff at Blair, close to genius. You can't pee, we can pop a penis. Constipated cat, McKnight's on deck. Trouble with your anus, she's your vet. International clients, Vincent's best bet. She can speak 3 languages, get that check. Gerard looking at teeth, you know what to expect. Wellness rides don't pose a threat. Anyway, every day she's poking it. Acupuncture so good, you need Jewess on it. Anyway, every day Sean's running it. If a client calls, don't worry, just book it.
Work at Blair and this is treatment, but your booty don't need expressing. All I really need to understand is
When you talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Get a vet on it.